Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function breakpoint. Welcome to our Python tutorial series. Today, we're taking a closer look at a built-in function that significantly enhances the debugging process, breakpoint. This function is a game changer for developers looking to streamline testing and troubleshooting. Let's dive into how breakpoint can transform your debugging strategy. Introduced in Python 3.7, the breakpoint function triggers a breakpoint where it's called in your code. Its primary syntax is simply breakpoint with no arguments. This function invokes the debugger at the call point, allowing you to pause your program, inspect variables, step through code, and understand what's happening inside your script at runtime. Before we proceed, it's crucial to grasp the concept of a debugger. A debugger is a tool that allows developers to examine and modify the program while it is running. It's essential for diagnosing bugs, understanding program flow, and ensuring code correctness. Why a breakpoint? This function simplifies the process of starting a debugger. It eliminates the need for setting up the debugger manually in your code and provides a uniform method to handle debugging across different environments and platforms. Use breakpoint whenever you encounter a bug that's difficult to trace, or when you need to understand the behavior of a new or complex function. It's particularly useful in iterative development processes where features are continually added and tested. Let's explore a practical example to illustrate the use of breakpoint. In this example, we insert breakpoint right before calculating the average. When the debugger pauses, you can examine the total and count variables, ensuring they are correctly calculated before proceeding to division. This helps catch errors or logical issues in the computation. And that's a wrap on using the breakpoint function in Python. By incorporating breakpoint into your development practice, you can catch bugs more efficiently and deepen your understanding of your code's execution. Keep advancing your Python skills with us. For more programming techniques and insights, make sure to subscribe.